Have you noticed something? Every time you open YouTube, somebody is claiming they made $10,000 this month with AI. Then the next person says AI made them $100,000. And after watching enough of those videos, you start thinking, what am I missing? If that's where you're at right now, this video is for you because I want to show you what I wish someone would have explained to me when I first started learning about AI. I'm not going to promise you'll become a millionaire overnight, but I am going to show you a way to use AI that can actually make you money if you're willing to put the work in. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to understand is this. AI doesn't make money. People make money. AI just helps people work faster. Think about it like this. If I handed you the world's fastest hammer, would that automatically make you a master carpenter? No. You still have to know what you're building. AI works exactly the same way. It's a tool. And the people making the most money with it know how to use that tool to solve problems. So the question changes from how do I make money with AI to what problem can I solve with AI? That one question changes everything. Let me give you an example. Imagine you own a small lawn care business. You're busy mowing yards all day. The last thing you want to do when you get home is write Facebook posts, create flyers, answer emails, or come up with advertising ideas. Now imagine someone shows up and says, I can take care of all of that for you. That's valuable. Not because they use AI, because they solved the problem. That's how people are making money. Now, let me show you 5 ways regular people are doing this in 2026. The first way is helping businesses with social media. Thousands of small businesses know they should post online, but they don't. Not because they don't want to, but because they're busy. Using AI, you can help create captions, organize content ideas, write newsletters, or plan weekly posts. You're not copying and pasting what AI gives you. You're editing, making sure it sounds natural, and delivering something the business can actually use. The second way is creating digital products. Let's say you know something useful. Maybe you know how to DoorDash. Maybe you know photography. Maybe you're really organized. You can create checklists, templates, guides, planners, budget sheets, meal planners, workout trackers. AI can help you organize those ideas much faster. Then you can sell those products online over and over again. The third way is becoming an AI assistant for businesses. This is becoming a real job. Some businesses need someone to summarize meetings, organize information, write first drafts of emails, create presentations, research competitors, or help with customer service. You don't have to know everything. You just need to know more than the business owner does. The fourth way is content creation. This is one of my favorites. You don't need expensive cameras anymore. AI can help you brainstorm video ideas, organize scripts, write descriptions, create thumbnails, generate titles, and help plan an entire content strategy. The people who stay consistent usually win. AI simply helps them stay consistent. Now, here's the fifth one. Learn AI before everyone else around you does. Think about the internet 20 years ago. Some people ignored it. Others learned it. The people who learn how to build websites, run online businesses, create YouTube channels, sell online, Many of them built incredible careers. We're seeing something similar happen with AI. The earlier you learn it, the more opportunities you will probably see. Now, I want to show you exactly how I would start if I had zero experience today. Step 1. Pick one AI tool. Don't try to learn 15 of them. Just one. Use it every day. Ask it questions, practice with it, figure out what it's good at, figure out what it's bad at. The more you use it, the better you'll become. Step 2, find one problem, not 20, just one. Maybe it's helping businesses write Facebook posts, maybe it's creating resumes, maybe it's organizing spreadsheets, maybe it's writing newsletters. Become really good at solving that one problem. Step 3, find someone who needs help. This is where most people get stuck. They spend months learning AI but never help anyone. Offer to help one local business, one friend, one family member, one creator. Real experience is worth more than watching another 50 YouTube videos. Step 4, keep improving. Every project teaches you something new. You will learn what clients actually want. You will learn what AI actually does. You will learn what still needs a human touch. And before long, you'll become faster than most people. Now, before we finish, I want to save you from making one mistake. Please don't spend all your money buying expensive AI courses because someone rented a Lamborghini for the thumbnail. Most of what you need to learn is available by practicing. Open the AI, use it, experiment, build something, help someone, repeat. That's how real skills are built. Here's the truth. The people who are getting rich with AI aren't getting rich because AI is magic. They're getting rich because they're solving more problems, helping more people, working faster, and creating more value than they could before. You can absolutely do the same thing, but start small. Learn one skill, help one person, then help 10, then help 100. That's how businesses are built. And honestly, I think that's a much better goal than chasing some fake promise of overnight success. If this video helped you understand AI a little better, make sure you subscribe because every week we're going to break down practical ways to use AI to make money, build businesses, and create a better future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.